Welcome to Good Foods and Tours Jamaica. Today we'll be making some jackfruit seed eggnog punch. Yes, we made our sorrel already. You know, we drink sorrel in the Caribbean during Christmas time. But I wanted something special. I wanted something kind of a little bit new. Yes, she knows what I'm talking about. Why not make some eggnog and put some jackfruit seed in it? So, stay tuned!
We have boiled our jackfruit seed and taken off the skin. We have our milk right here. We have our condensed milk, our sugar, and then our little rum, just a little bit. And then we have our grated nutmeg. I usually grate it and just put it in a bag like this. Just some vanilla, good up stuff. A little salt. And then my eggs from my farm. I didn't pasteurize my eggs, so I'll be cooking my eggnog to kill all that bacteria. Yeah, man. Anyway, the ingredients will be listed below. So let's start. All you need right now is your jackfruit seed, your milk, your condensed milk, and a blender. Place all the jackfruit seed into the blender and your milk and your condensed milk and just blend it. Yeah, man, this smells so good already, and it not even start blend. That was my daughter, man. She giving trouble. And you can see right now she's going to take up that container and she started to drink the remains of the milk. Yep, my daughter. Blending will commence in a 1, 2, 3. There we go. Oh gosh, so good. Blend until everything is smooth. This smells so good. The jackfruit seed just makes this so good. It intensifies all the richness. Take this to the fire and just like on low heat, don't boil. We want to just heat our milk. In the meanwhile, let's work on our eggs. Let's get our egg yolk. Yeah, I did 2 already, so I'm just gonna do this one. This is how I get my egg yolk. Yeah, everybody have different methods. This one works for me. I just take my little time and put the egg yolk in the shell. Man, this looks so pretty. Look at that brighty yellow. And you're done. So we're just gonna go ahead and whisk our egg yolks together. We're gonna add some brown sugar. If you have white sugar, you can use it. I personally love brown sugar, so it's what I buy, it's what I use. Now, I just love this part. Who doesn't love whisking sugar and eggs together? You can add less sugar by using a 1/4 cup of sugar instead. Alright, just go ahead and whisk this together. Look at that, it's beautiful. Beautiful. We're just gonna pour a small amount of the warm milk into the egg yolks. And of course, I know you have watched this already or read it already or somewhere that what we're doing is tempting the egg yolks that we do not get scrambled egg. I mean, everyone know this. This is like 101 eggnog basic knowledge, or foolproof eggnog steps. All right, just pour a little bit more liquid, more milk into your egg yolks and whisk. And at this time, pour the remaining warm milk into the rest of the egg yolks. Yeah, baby. And just whisk away all of it. There we go. Yes, you can do this. You can do this. You've got this. And just whisk. This looks so nice already. Yeah, and it's gonna be the right time right now to add in the spices. Right now. Yeah, we're gonna add some vanilla. Ooh. Some nutmeg. Ooh. And a little bit of salt. Some people like to add cinnamon. If that's what you like, add it. It's about time to take this to the stove. Whisk for 3 minutes on low flames. And you're done. Right now, just go ahead and strain it. You know what I mean? We want it real smooth. Now it's time to add some rum. Yeah, and I'm only adding 2 tablespoons of rum. You know, some persons want to add more. You can go, but this is perfect amount. Not to get drunk, but just for a little kick. Go ahead and chill this in the refrigerator before serving. Man, this is gonna taste so bomb! Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas!